Getting stuck with a flat tire is stressful, but having the right lug wrench makes all the difference. First up, we have a classic four-way design that fixes the problem of flimsy factory wrenches that often bend under pressure. This heavy-duty tool is forged from heat-treated carbon steel, meaning it can handle the high torque required to break loose, stubborn nuts. It's chrome-plated to resist rust, which is crucial if you're changing a tire in the rain or snow. With a 14-inch body, you get enough leverage to work comfortably without straining your back or rounding off your hardware. The four fixed socket heads cover the most common SAE and metric sizes, making it a universal fit for most passenger cars. Imagine being stuck on the shoulder at night. This solid crossbar gives you the grip and stability you need to get back on the road fast. It is a reliable, high-quality choice for anyone who wants a permanent upgrade to their vehicle's emergency kit. Next, at number 2, we're looking at the professional black version of that same reliable four-way wrench. It solves the exact same roadside emergencies, but comes with a sleek black finish for those who prefer a different aesthetic or want extra corrosion protection in their toolkit. Just like the previous model, it's made from forged heat-treated carbon steel to ensure it won't snap when things get tough. The 14-inch length provides a great balance between portable storage and enough leverage to move those seized-on lug nuts. You get 4 socket sizes ranging from 11/16 to 78 inches, covering almost any standard vehicle you might own. This is perfect for someone who wants a durable, no-nonsense tool that looks as good as it performs. If you've ever struggled with a tiny L-shaped wrench, switching to this balanced crossbar design will feel like a massive and necessary upgrade. Now for number 3, we have a specialized 16-piece kit designed for those tricky wheel locks and tight spaces where standard wrenches simply won't fit. If you've ever bought aftermarket alloy wheels, you know that the lug holes can be incredibly narrow, which is where this thin wall design saves the day. These are forged from chrome molybdenum steel, which is specifically chosen for its high strength and superior resistance to heavy impact. The dual drive design means these keys are compatible with your existing hand tools and sockets for maximum versatility on the fly. It's an essential purchase for car enthusiasts or mechanics who deal with a wide variety of vehicle designs and custom rims. For example, if you lose your original wheel lock key, this set provides a professional grade solution to get those wheels off without damaging the finish. Just remember to use steady, gradual force with hand tools to ensure you maintain total control during the removal process. Coming in at number 4, this option is all about saving space without sacrificing the strength of a traditional cross wrench. The biggest problem with four-way wrenches is usually their bulk, but this folding design allows it to collapse for easy storage in your roadside emergency kit. It's constructed from chrome-plated drop-forged steel, ensuring it meets and even exceeds ANSI safety specifications for torque and durability. You still get those 4 universal sizes ranging from 11/16 to 7/8 inches, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, and even light trucks. This is the ideal choice for drivers with small trunks or limited storage space who still want the leverage of a full-size tool. Picture yourself packing for a road trip. You can tuck this right next to your spare tire without it taking up any valuable cargo room. It's a smart, heavy-duty solution that stays out of the way until the moment you actually need it. Moving on to number 5, we have a powerhouse that promises twice the torque of a standard telescoping wrench. The LugStrong is designed for anyone who has ever felt physically unable to break a lug nut loose with a standard short-handled tool. It features an ultra-strong steel construction with an anti-slip grip that doubles as a high-torque breaker bar for those rusted-on nuts. This set includes the most common standard sockets and even comes with an adapter, so you can use any other socket in your collection. Because it's 26 inches long when fully assembled, you get incredible leverage that makes tire changes feel almost effortless for any user. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, making it a buy-it-once tool for your spare tire compartment. Whether you're changing your own flat or helping a stranded motorist, this tool gives you the confidence that no nut is too tight to turn. For number 6, we're looking at a telescoping model that focuses on adjustable leverage and portability. This tool solves the problem of needing a long handle for power, but a short handle for storage by extending from about 13 inches to over 20 inches. It comes with 2 double-ended sockets made from chrome vanadium steel, covering 4 major sizes like 17 millimeters and 22 millimeters. The handle is treated with an electroplated bright mesh to prevent rust, ensuring it stays in great condition even if it sits in a damp trunk for years. This is a fantastic option for owners of vans or light trucks who might need that extra reach to clear deep wheel wells or fenders. When you're finished, the whole kit fits into a convenient carry bag, keeping your trunk organized and rattle-free. It's a highly efficient design that prioritizes user comfort and mechanical advantage during a stressful tire change. Now, number 7 is a heavy-duty beast specifically designed for the biggest jobs on the road. If you drive a semi-truck, a bus, or a large RV, a standard wrench simply won't have the power to move those massive high-torque lug nuts. This torque multiplier uses a 1:64 gear ratio to generate an incredible 3,540 foot-pounds of force with very little physical effort from the operator. All parts are crafted from high-strength alloy steel with a black oxidized finish to prevent corrosion and ensure long-term longevity. It comes in a heavy-duty plastic carrying case, making it easy to store safely under a seat or in a side compartment. This is a must-have for professional drivers or long-haul travelers who need to be self-sufficient in remote areas. Imagine being miles from the nearest service station with a flat on your RV. This tool allows you to handle the repair yourself without waiting hours for a tow truck. And finally, number 8 is another excellent telescoping option that balances strength with compact storage. It's built from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy, which is known for its ability to withstand high stress without deforming or snapping. The handle extends to 19 inches to give you maximum leverage on stubborn nuts, then collapses down to just 13 inches for easy stowing in small spaces. It features a standard half-inch drive head and includes sockets for 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm sizes. This versatility makes it a great choice for households with multiple different vehicles, as one tool can likely service the entire fleet. The included carry bag is a nice touch, preventing the sockets from getting lost in the depths of your trunk or garage. If you want a reliable, professional-feeling tool that won't take up much space, this is a top-tier contender for your emergency kit. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these lug wrenches. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest tool reviews and automotive tips. Let me know in the comments which wrench you're adding to your trunk or what you want me to review next. Stay safe out there and happy driving.